to study abroad in 2026 without drowning in student loans? Then listen up. September and October are the months where the biggest scholarships open and deadlines are closer than you think. Here are the amazing scholarships every Indian student should know about. The first one on the list is National Overseas Scholarship, which is awarded by the Government of India. It is for masters or PhD at any QS top 500 universities for SC, DNT and other marginalized categories, which is under 35 years of age, with family income below 8 lakh. It covers full tuition, living expenses and travel, even with a contingency allowance. The second one on the list is Nehru Study Abroad Scholarship for bachelor's, master's or MBA in any destination. It offers partial funding from 30,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Hurry, the deadline is 10th October 2025. The third one on the list is Education Future International Scholarship. For UG and PG courses, it is for anywhere in the world. Open to Indian nationals with at least 60% in 10th and 12th, and 50% of the cost must be self-funded. It provides 2 lakh to 10 lakh as partial tuition support. Don't miss these opportunities to make your global education affordable. The next one on the list is Chevening Scholarship by UK. Fully funded masters covering tuition, monthly stipend and flights. Requires you to complete a bachelor's degree plus 2 years of work experience. The deadline is 7th October 2025, so hurry. And we have a full shot on Chevening. Check out this video. The next one on the list is Swedish Institute Scholarship for Global Professionals. It covers full tuition, a Swedish krona 12,000 per month stipend and a travel allowance. It is ideal for candidates with work experience and a strong leadership profile. Dalarna University Scholarship, Sweden. It covers 10 to 50% of master's tuition. It opens this October. Apply early so that you don't miss the best chance to win. Scholarship 7 plus extra 10. The last one on the list is HEST, Higher Education Scholarship Test. Any major study abroad country, partial funding for tuition, and the deadline is 10th October 2025. And here is your 90-second game plan for winning the funding. Prioritize by deadline. Apply first for Chevening and SISGP, which is in early October, then Education Future and then HEST. Eligibility fast, which is GPA, income limits, work experience. Do not waste time on the ones you don't qualify for. Track funding sources. Combine partial scholarships and loans, which makes up 2 to 10 lakhs in savings. Check ROI. Tuition covered. Plan for living expenses. Timeline snapshot. Apply now. Results by January, February. Funding by March to April. It is perfect for September 2026 intake. Links to all scholarships and our Chevening shot are given below. Don't miss this window. September-October is your chance to make 2026 your study abroad year and save big. Shiksha Study Abroad offers free expert counseling to help you apply for top scholarships and universities abroad.